If you've ever struggled with meeting times clashing across different zones, this tutorial is for you. Before we dive in, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss out on helpful tips. Start on the Calendly homepage and click New Event Type. For this example, choose a one-on-one meeting, perfect for personal or professional calls. A setup window will pop up where you can name your event, set the duration, and adjust details. Once everything looks good, hit Create. Next, you will see a calendar style pop-up where you can customize availability. This is where the time zone setting comes in. Navigate to the time zone section and select the one you want. To avoid any confusion for attendees, make sure to lock the time zone so everyone stays aligned no matter where they're joining from. Finally, click Save Changes. That's it. Your event is now locked to a single time zone, giving you clarity and preventing scheduling mix-ups. And there you go. You've just made scheduling on Calendly simpler and smarter. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick guides like this. See you in the next video.